Pomerol delivers increased revenue, decreased costs, and competitive advantage for you through leveraging data. We partner with executives, managers, and analysts across all business verticals to use data wisely. We deliver value that helps you grow and change with better data-driven decisions and solutions that empower you. The business intelligence tools that we build are designed to create a dynamic, analytical, and reporting environment, enabling users to gain meaningful insights about their company or industry. In this instance, we were tasked with creating an end-to-end solution for a pharmaceutical sales company. This app links data from disparate sources to create a centralized location where users from different business units can draw meaningful, high-level insights on sales performance with the ability to dig deeper into problem areas and specifically understand representative performance in relation to their activities logged on a day-to-day basis. This tool allows for interactive reporting that gives owners of regions and high-level executives the ability to quickly spot problem areas affecting performance before they become recurring issues. The two main KPIs used by the pharma sales industry are revenue on target and on territory activity, which show how reps are actively engaging with prospective pharmacies or buyers. The dashboard flows in a way which expands on the information shown on the tab before. For example, moving from Sales Summary to the Profitability tab, you have the same fields, but all values are broken into 12-month rolling time frames for a detailed profitability check into a rep's performance and productivity. We have made the company's data flow in a logical manner that allows for informed decision-making to be made throughout the entire organization. Here at Pomerol, we simplify data to help businesses grow.